Alright, so now we're going to sew the velcro onto here. It's a pretty simple task. Hopefully the camera isn't vibrating too much. With Velcro, you want to make sure that you only sew it on the edges, at least most of the time, because the bristles, or the hooks, on the hook side of the tape will screw up the threads going in. And I kind of have to bunch this up weird over here because I don't want to hit the little mount for the camera. And by mount I mean box that I'm using, because I don't have a mount. I'm very fancy like that. Anyway, go over the first stitch at least once. And this is so you can't accidentally pull off the Velcro very easily. Then we finish off by going back about an inch. Then we just cut the edges here, or not the edges, rather the loose threads from the starting and finishing points. And there you go, it's on.